Okay, we're getting ready for a maiden voyage out here.
Oh shit.
Got all the criminals out here watching them.
Oh no.
Oh, you already screwed it up.
Yep. Pause for a stick.
Turn the gas on. Turn ignition on. Ignition on.
Yeah.
Sure.
No filter?
One's great backwards. Kids are running for cover.
Down right behind him. That would be so funny.
Let's see how far he goes. You can hear him. Blows down a narrow ass driveway. Alright, we'll be back when we hear him. I hear him getting on it. There's the cop shop, so he's good. What'd you say?
You want me to cut it?
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Put your hand on it. Does it burn your hand? It's too damn hot. So you went around the block once.
Yeah, it's hot.
You didn't go for full throttle, did you?
Nope.
Perfect. Okay, is it running good for you?
It's running real good.
Is it faster than it was before already?
Yeah, it's fucking way faster.
Did it pull the front end yet? Did it pull the front end yet?
It's
Trying to.
It's fun.
If you're gonna pull the front end, it's gonna spin that tire in the back. Which one is it?
You see got a little sideways coming in?
Yeah, that was just locking up. That means the rear brake actually does lock.
Yeah.
All right. So next time you go around the block twice,
All right.
same deal.
Okay.
Give it about 10 minutes.
Sweet.
All right, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, it's gonna go out for road test 2, otherwise known as breaking it in. So this time I'm gonna double the distance, so you're gonna go a couple blocks up, a couple back. That's how you break them in.
We're gonna have to bend that out so I can kick it out better.
Bend what out?
The
Kickstand? Kickstand's fine.
Kickstand.
It's fine. What's the problem with it?
It's just a pain in the ass.
There's nothing wrong with that. Probably didn't need to have the choke on. It should have been hot enough.
Yeah, I just took the choke off as soon as it started.
I turned the idle speed down. A little hot.
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on. If you keep paying like a damn Japa like that, you ain't gonna make it run any better. It just kills it. I lean it out for it being hot, but I don't like being leaned out. Try it there. Petcock on?
What?
Petcock.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. So he's not hammering up the side street like I do. All right, he'll be back. Oh, you always get stuck behind traffic. Oh, he didn't fall over yet. Hey, they're honking at you. Did you run them off?
Yep.
Clutch working all or what?
Clutch is working great.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, for me it is.
It's releasing.
Yeah. All right, dude.
How's it feel up to the carburation wise? Pulling good evenly?
It seems like it's a little boggy and slow, like when it idles really low. But that's about it. It just seems like it might be just a touch too like slow.
Raise the idle speed up. She was right in front of you.
Just quarter turn, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, we just have to play around with it, see where the idle mixture wants to be at.
Yeah.
I put it back where the 1.25 turns is at.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty close. There's 1.25. It was at 1.8. It should start with no choke, hot.
Yeah.
Crank, see if it'll start right now. It should start right up one kick. I'll turn ignition on though. Alright, got it off. Alright. Yeah. When it's happy, it'll start up every time. When it's too lean, it won't start, so just give it more fuel mixture. It smells a little rich in the pipe, but that's what it wants, so.
Yeah.
So, you know, you got to give what it wants, whatever. Whether you think it's right or not, don't matter. It lets you know.
Yeah.
All right, you got to keep it on the clutch because that free play. If you lose that free play on the clutch, it'll start slipping on you and burn the clutch up.
Yeah, we don't want that.
The clip plates will break themselves back in because it was been sitting for a long time and mixed up, and so they have to reacquaint themselves. The rear brake is starting to break in a little better.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. I like it.
So everything has to be broken in.
All right.
All right, so let it cool off about 10 more minutes, and then should go take it home.
Okay, and then when I take it home, give it another 10 minutes?
Just keep double your distance on your riding.
Okay.
And you need to adjust those valves tomorrow before you ride it.
Okay.
Because once it cools down, it might not start with the squat again.
Okay.
Because those valves are moving around right now.
All right.
Usually I adjust them after about 5 miles. I let it cool off and I adjust the valves, or at least check them to make sure they're not tight.
All right.
You know, if you want to keep riding it tonight, then check them, make sure they're just not tight.
Yeah.
I don't care if they're loose, just if they're tight, loosen them up.
Yeah.
And then put the cover back down, up.
Okay.
Just don't have the valves tight.
Yeah.
Then when it cools down again, full cool down, then you adjust the valves correctly. But as long as they're not tight, I don't care. I don't care about being loose, I care about being tight.
All right. So yeah, I'll tighten them up in the morning. I don't think I'm going to be going crazy on it tonight at all.
Yeah.
Because one, it's fucking Friday night, and two, my registration is out.
Yeah, you got to get plates on this thing.
So.
They will tow the bike.
Yeah.
So. And it's so quiet, I don't think they'd find you.
No, not at all, dude.
So.
Later. I gotta go.
All right.
Take care,
See you
man.
later.
Have a good one.
Congrats. See you guys. See ya.
See ya.
All right, so that's it for now.
Yep.
Walker's all pissed off again.